Alright, hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we're going to use the Bluefin. We've got some of these RLS fittings. Might be a little easier to do it when we're on the ground here. So I've got 3 of these connectors we need to put on. So put it on until it stops, just carefully. We're going to pop this open. We're going to put this in. Make sure we are aligned on both crimps. To get this jaw to close, there's no way to do it unless you open the bottom part. And then you can carefully get this part to latch. And then it looks like we are in the grooves. We are there. Gonna grab it, gonna pull. And that was not too bad. Let's carefully undo it. Okay. Again, squeeze to pop that out. So review this tool real quick. It looks like there's a little bit of a kink right where they come together. I'm nervous to really pull on this, but it feels tight. And to check to make sure it was done correctly, we're going to grab the gauge measuring tool. We're going to go to the 5/8 measure. And it fits just right where the crimps are going to be. So I moved those little burrs out of the way a little bit. But it fits all the way down there. If you guys can see that. It fits great. Does not fit in the middle, right? But it fits right where those crimps are at. So that was crimped on correctly. They have a little dimple in them that are punched, kind of. I thought it was like a defect, but all of them have it. So it prevents it from going on more than it needs to. Anyways, thanks for watching, and as always, until next time.